one of the plugins that I use a lot when I'm actually supporting the customers who buy my own plugin is this plugin, WP Staging. Because if your host doesn't provide staging environments, then this plugin will help you get a staging environment set up with just a few clicks. But once it's installed, you basically will go to WP Staging, start, create a new staging site, and oh, I think it might be starting already. Oh, no, we're good. Anyway, you type like any generic name. I usually use staging, and then you click start cloning. This is already in use in my case because I've already done it. Start cloning, you'll go through the process. When it's all done, you'll end up with another site just called like yourwebsite.com/staging. And when you log into that, you'll notice they make this bright orange admin bar just so that you know you're in a staging site. And I use this a lot because I have to tell my customers pretty frequently that they need to switch themes, disable plugins, so we can sort of isolate where the problem is coming from. And you don't want to do that on a live site. So being able to let everybody create a staging site fairly easily and fairly painlessly helps me a lot in helping other people debug their websites. And I know they have a premium edition, which I think I have a license for, even though I don't really use it too much. But I know one of the premium features does allow you to sync the changes you make on staging back to your live site. And then one other good thing is that when you're done, it cleans itself all up. You just go back into your live site's WP Staging settings, admin screen, and you can delete a staging site when you're done with it, which is pretty cool in my opinion, because then I never have to work on anybody's live site, which makes me a lot happier and a lot less stressed.